Welcome to our June gardening guide, where we'll explore the essential tasks to keep your garden flourishing during this beautiful month in less than 4 minutes. From tending to flowers to nurturing your vegetable patch, June is a time of growth and abundance. Let's get started. First, let's focus on flower maintenance. In June, many flowers are in full bloom, and they require special attention to keep them healthy and vibrant. Deadheading is crucial to encourage continuous blooming. By removing spent flowers, you stimulate the plant to produce new buds, extending the flowering season. Now, let's turn our attention to the vegetable garden. June is a time of plentiful harvests and ongoing care. Watering is crucial during the summer months. Ensure your plants receive adequate hydration, especially during hot spells. A deep, thorough watering is better than frequent shallow waterings. Mulching is another vital task in June. Applying a layer of organic mulch around your plants helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. June is also a fantastic time for sowing and planting. Take advantage of warm soil temperatures to sow seeds and transplant young seedlings, giving them ample time to establish before the heat of summer arrives. As your garden thrives, it's essential to remain vigilant against pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of infestation or disease. Catching issues early allows you to address them promptly and minimize damage. Finally, the most rewarding part of gardening in June is the bountiful harvest. Enjoy the fruits of your labor by harvesting ripe vegetables. Harvesting at the right time ensures optimal flavor and encourages further production. June is a magical time in the garden, where the hard work of spring pays off in colorful blooms and delicious harvests. By following these essential tasks, you can cultivate beauty and abundance in your own backyard. Here is the summary of the gardening tasks for the beautiful month of June. Deadhead faded flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Ensure proper watering, with deep, thorough watering rather than frequent shallow waterings. Apply organic mulch around plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Take advantage of warm soil temperatures to sow seeds and transplant young seedlings. Regularly inspect plants for pests and diseases and address any issues promptly. Harvest ripe vegetables to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Thank you for joining us for this June gardening guide. We hope these tips inspire you to embrace the joys of gardening during this vibrant month. Happy gardening!